So here's how you're gonna make a slime. This is kind of a fluffy slime. I
made a fluffy slime. This is a fluffy slime.
You put shaving cream in there. We know.
This is like great slime. I never thought I'd have this. I used to make butter slime using just cornstarch and soap. I'd mix it together and put it in a bag. I put it in a bag, and it
would dry out.
Yeah, in like 2 days or like one.
It was horrible.
Okay, I'm
Here,
gonna go.
I have one.
Can you move your slime?
Oh, then I tried to, because I wanted to see if it would make clay slime, like if I mixed it into a slime. Well, I added like a little more, like, what's it called, soap to it. An old one I had dried out.
It just bounced.
And then, I mean, it totally
Okay, I'm gonna
ruined
go
the
get a
slime.
container.
By the way, guys, clear slime.